what does it mean? It means that this body of work, this information that mainstream journalism just cannot get to, exists. And if we don't preserve it, it's going to go away. And then no one will be able to access it. Just even if you don't know it's there now, people who start, I think it's amazing what happens when people start looking through archives of the Angolite, the historical aspects of it, that what it will tell, the San Quentin News. I mean, what it will tell. We were very fortunate. For example, the San Quentin News has gone through multiple periods of being shut down, of not publishing. It's a great paper. Today they have an agreement with Cal Berkeley School of Journalism and local journalists, and it's a great paper. But they have been shut down multiple times, and I always thought it was better to exist than not exist. And that doesn't mean the work that we did was any less relevant, because I think it was. It's just what we chose and what, how far we could push the line. Wilbert pushed the line. I pushed the line. We knew that we had a certain leverage. We also knew that they could pull it out from under you in a second. So we were always very sensitive to how far we were pushing that line.
Exactly, right. On our end, the Angolite is definitely one that it actually is quite well known, but a lot of the papers that we're hoping to target for this particular project, they did get shut down. And so they only have 10 issues or 5 issues. And so, the endeavor here is to really unite them to create that opportunity for the scholars that you just described, and especially the kind of contrast between what you might see in the sort of mainstream quote unquote historic literature and then what gets printed in the pages that came out from the prison itself.